How to check for a software update or a system update on your Google Pixel 8a. Swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. At the bottom right you can see setting gear icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Tap on a system. Scroll. Here you can see software update. Tap on it. Now here you can see system update and app update option. Tap on a system update. Now at the bottom you can see check for update. Tap on it. Now checking for the system software update available or not on your Pixel device. If available update you can see. Now you can see successfully check for update. So not available any update. So it's quite easy to check for a system software update or a system update on your Google Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.